During the production meeting, it is important to decide what real-time information team members will need access to, and when they should take action based on the information shown. You can quickly select and configure dashboards using MAJiK Visual Factory. Saving them is as easy as copying the URL. These can be displayed on large screens on the production floor. Visual Factory has a range of dashboards, from extremely simple to complex, depending on your team's focus and performance level. Make sure everyone understands what the information means, and when and how they should act on it. To stay on top of production and significant events, you can set up and receive a number of automated alerts. Alerts can be shown in the MAJiK Visual Factory application, or can be sent to individuals directly via email or SMS. Set alerts for critical work cells and potential bottlenecks to stay ahead of production issues that may cause you to miss job deadlines. Some examples may include a telemetry notification that alerts you to potential mechanical issues, such as the temperature of an equipment component rising, a changeover alert that notifies you of when a job is close to reaching its targeted production output, or downtime trackers that notify you of a specific work cell going down, or when a specific downtime reason occurs. Make sure that each team member understands the actions that are required when they receive these alerts. Before you can start acting on your plan, you'll have to communicate it to the rest of the team. Make sure those stakeholders who are not present in the production meeting know what targets have been set, what data to monitor, and how to respond to signals such as alerts and dashboards. We hope this production template is useful to your operations.